Chapter. Today's video is our Bargain Bead box unboxing for the month of March. So if you've seen my video from last month and from January, you will see that I really like this subscription. This has turned out to be my favorite jewelry subscription that I receive so far. It is $18.95 a month, and you get so much stuff. Like, I mean, I guess unless you're pumping out hundreds of pieces a month, it's just really hard to use every single thing that they send. They send you so many things. You get such a nice assortment of items that I thoroughly look forward to this being in my mailbox each month. So I literally just got this out. We have not even opened it yet. So we're going to open this together and see what we have for the month of March. All right. So it looks like we've got 19 items. So like I said, you get a lot of items with an approximate retail value of $63. Let me get this. All right. So it looks like this month it is called Celtic Inspirations. Ooh, I like. All right. So rich greens and sparkling teal. So kind of close to what we had last month. There was a lot of teal and blue last month. With silver findings. Ooh, I like that because last month was copper. See, highlights include green aventurine, teardrops, carved leaves, a pair of half-matte agate focal beads, an array of high-quality silver tone findings, Celtic motifs including a Triquetra, often representing spirituality, unity, and eternity, and the Dara knot, typically used to represent strength like the roots of an oak tree. We hope you enjoy designing with these timeless symbols. Awesome. And then if you are a Bargain Bead box subscriber, every single month you get a 30% off coupon to their sister site, beadboxbargains.com, and you get amazing deals. I seriously slacked, and I should have done it, but now I've put everything away. But I used my code for the first time on their site last month. All right, well, I'm not sure where I put it at the moment, but I was going to show you. I got 153 items for $148, or maybe it was 148 items for $153. It was either one of those things. If I can find my receipt, I will put a little picture of it here in post. But yeah, I mean, everything is cheap to begin with, and then you get the 30% discount off on top of it at the end. That is just like, oh yeah, it's amazing. I mean, unless they like do a total revamp of all of the products that they carry, I probably won't be purchasing that much again, because I just started beading in December, like the end of December. So for me, that was just an amazing deal because I could spend $150 and get a ton of stuff. I got so many beads and findings, and like, actually, here's some of the stuff. I haven't put everything away, but it's just like so many findings and beads. Like, I mean, and these were all like $1.29. I think some of them were like 89 cents, 99 cents for each one of these little bags. And then you get the 30% off on top of it. So, I mean, it's deals, you guys. It is deals. So if it is not something that you have looked into, I will have a link in the description box below. Check it out yourself. And, get hooked up, because you get a lot of really awesome stuff. And I mean, I've been thoroughly enjoying it. So let's open this up and see what we've got for the month of March. Oh, I can already see some green. Oh, that's probably our organza bag. Yep. Because every month they send you your stuff in these like nice organza bags. So this month is green. All right. Oh, I'm already seeing a lot of stuff I'm gonna like. Okay. Let's scooch you over and start down our list. All right, so number 1, we've got 2 pieces of approximately 18 by 13 millimeter green Aventurine Teardrop pendants. Oh, I like these. Oh, wow, those are nice. Ooh. Next up, we've got 2, it says 20 pieces of 7.5 3-petal bead caps, lead-free, cadmium-free. Oh, those are cute. Number 3, we've got 4-piece 18 by 15 millimeter Celtic knot flat round charms. That is these. Oh, I like those. Okay. Very cute. I'm not super into like Celtic stuff, but these are very cute designs, so I cannot hate on this. Next up, we've got a 2-piece 24 by 17 millimeter knotwork charms / links. Oh, these could be some cute earrings. You could have danglies coming from down here in the bottoms. Oh, I'm seeing ideas with these. I've been obsessed with making earrings lately. That's been my thing. I make a lot of earrings. All right, next up we've got a 14-inch strand of green agate round beads, which are permanently dyed and heat treated. Ooh, I like these. Very cute. I don't think we've got things in a frame over here. There we go. All right, number 6, we've got 10-piece strand of 13.5 crystal disco faceted round beads in a blue-green. Oh, wow. Oh, how well you guys can see. Oh, just look at that shimmer. These are gorgeous. Oh man. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get me some more of these. Yeah, towards the end of the month, Bargain Bead Box sells extras of anything they have that was inside the box. So you want to check for that deal also, because I am definitely going to be getting some more of these. I like those. I like those a lot. All right. Number 7, we've got 1 meter of 5 by 3.5 textured steel jewelry chain, lead-free, nickel-free. Ooh, I like this. Very cute. $1 meter of that. Number 8, we get 50 pieces of swirled rope spacer beads that are also lead-free and nickel-free. Ooh, I like those. Little, like, Celtic ropes. Number 9, we've got a 2-piece 31 by 27 millimeter Celtic knot donuts with loops. Ooh. Ooh, those would make some cute earrings. Get some dangling. Oh, yeah. Again, see, you guys, earrings are like my go-to. 10 16-inch rondelles in 6 by 4 millimeter crystal teal green. Oh, wow. Oh, and a teal green champagne. Oh, so cute. See, and if nothing else, this just does a great job of building up your stash. 11, we've got 5-piece, 12 millimeter hand-carved green Aventurine leaf beads. Oh, I love those. Those are very, very nice. Next up, we've got 8-piece of 18.5 by 15.5 millimeter Dara knot drop links that are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. Ooh. Those would be nice just on a simple, like, leather cord by themselves. More masculine looking charm, I feel. All right, number 13, we've got 9-piece strand of 10 millimeter green Aventurine round beads. I feel like I'm Aventurine, yeah. Oh, I really like that. Those. See, 14, we've got 4 sets of 16 by 21 millimeter ornate toggle clasps. Oh, I like. All right, so there's that. Very cute. You get 4 of them. I love a cute toggle clasp. I buy so many toggle clasps. All right, number 15, we have a approximately 30 by 20 millimeter green Aventurine Teardrop focal. Oh man, I like. That is a very nice focal. We got a focal similar to this last month. It was it was a aquamarine shade, and I haven't used it yet just because I felt like it was an odd shade. But getting all of this silver and stuff this month, I think it would go really nice with the things we got this month. What do we get next up is number 16, which is a 7-inch strand of 8mm faceted English cut candy jade beads. These are dyed. Ooh, I don't think I have. Oops. All right, well, there was not a knot at the end of that string. All right, well, there's those. I don't have anything that has an English cut to it. I like that. I like this cut. So you get some a little bit lighter ones, a couple darker ones. Nice little mix of Aventurine stones. All right, number 17 is 2 pieces of half matte green agate coin beads. Okay, interesting. Again, good earring pieces. So these are a matte coating around the outside with a polished center circle. Very cute. I like these. These are dyed and heat treated. 18, we have a 7-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads in a metallic green iris. Oh, man. Ooh, look at that sparkle. So cute. All right, and then last but not least, we have a 2-piece 29.5mm Triquetra pendants. Ooh. These are interesting. I like that with them being open here. I'm sure there is some interesting wire work or bead work that you wonderful artists out there are capable of doing. You inspire me every day as I'm looking through Pinterest and YouTube and Instagram to get ideas of what direction to go in my beading journey that I have entered upon here. All right. So here is everything from the March 2021 Bargain Bead box, Celtic Inspirations. I am already seeing quite a few different things that I can make with what I have sitting in front of me. That's one of the great things about this box, is that even if you don't have a large stash of supplies, with everything that is given to you here and just like a basic jewelry making kit, you're going to be able to create a lot of different things. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what I come up with this month. Be on the lookout for my February jewelry video. I wasn't expecting this one to already be here, so that will be out probably tomorrow. And then throughout the month of March, I am going to try and put out a couple videos just showing basically like my inspiration process and showing how I go about creating different things using the Bargain Bead box. So until then, have a great rest of your day and happy crafting. I will see you all later.